If you're a knowledge worker who keeps hearing you need to learn AI but has no idea where to start, no coding background, no data science degree, just a growing feeling that the ground is shifting, this channel is created for you. I'm not going to teach you how to build models. I'm going to show you how to actually use AI as a thinking and productivity tool in your real job. And I've got a specific reason for doing this. Let me explain. Hi, my name is Ken. I'm based in Sydney and I've spent the last 7+ years at Adobe working my way up from enterprise onboarding consulting all the way through to being a senior program and project manager leading AI automation across the APAC region. Now, in that time, I shipped work that actually moved the needle. I led an AI-powered content workflow program using Adobe Firefly that cut content creation time by more than 800% for a major enterprise client. And I helped enterprise customers figure out how to adopt generative AI responsibly. Not just, does this tool make cool pictures, but how do we actually govern this, keep it compliant, and make it safe to use at scale? Before Adobe, I spent 5 years at a digital marketing company called ReachLocal, where I was hands-on with one of the earliest machine learning platforms I'd ever seen. It automatically optimized ad spend based on conversion data. And that was over 10 years ago, so I've been watching AI evolve from behind the scenes for a long time. I came into tech sideways. I studied commerce and arts at UNSW, spent time on exchange in Japan, and started my career in sales before moving into more technical and strategic roles. That mix of commercial and technical and communication work is what shapes how I think about AI today. Right now, I'm in a new chapter. I'm going deeper into AI product management, building things, testing tools every single week. And I've decided to do something I've never done before. Learn in public. Because here's what I noticed. There's a ton of AI content out there for engineers. And there's a ton of AI hype from influencers. Almost nothing for the person in the middle. The project manager, the product manager, the analyst, the consultant, the person who suddenly needs to be AI literate but isn't going to retrain as a data scientist. That's the gap, and that's what this channel fills. So here's what you can expect. 3 things. Honest AI tool reviews. Every week, there's a shiny new AI tool promising to change your life. Most of them won't. I'll test the ones that actually matter for knowledge workers and give you a straight answer. Does it save you time? Is the free tier good enough? Is it worth changing your workflow? No sponsorship fluff, just someone who's spent years watching these features get built from the inside, telling you what's real. AI is changing what it means to be a knowledge worker, and not just in a robots are coming kind of way, but the skills that are making you valuable are shifting. I'll share the frameworks I'm using to think about positioning, communication, and how to talk about AI with your team, your leadership, and in your interviews. Now, this is all stuff I'm working through in real time with my own career, and I'll share it as I go. This is the part I care about most. Real step-by-step workflows, how to use AI to prepare for meetings, write better documents, do research in half the time, and make sharper decisions. The kind of content you can pause, copy, and then use that afternoon. I spent years at Adobe turning messy, ambiguous problems into clear delivery plans. And that same skill applies here, taking powerful but confusing tools and making it practical for you. Now, one important thing is to know what to expect from this channel. I'm not a machine learning engineer. I'm a senior technical program and product leader, and my job has been to sit at the intersection of engineering, data, and commercial outcomes, and make complex AI-enabled programs actually ship and stick inside big organizations. If you want to learn how to fine-tune a large language model, there are brilliant channels for that. This isn't one of them. If you want to know how to evaluate AI tools, communicate AI strategy to stakeholders, and weave AI into your daily workflow without a computer science degree, you're in the right place. So if that sounds like you, if you're a PM, a project manager, a consultant, a marketer, or honestly any knowledge worker who wants to get smarter about AI without drowning in jargon, hit subscribe. There's going to be new videos every week. The very next one is a breakdown of 7 free AI tools that can replace over $500 a month in paid software. You're going to want to see it. Thanks for being here from the start. I'm Ken, and I'll see you in the next one.